In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Discord integrations. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can get this done quickly and confidently. To begin, open Discord and look to the top left of your screen. Click your server's name, the small drop-down next to the server icon. This opens a quick menu. From here, select Server Settings. If you don't see it, you probably don't have permission to manage the server. In that case, ask an admin to grant access or complete this step for you. Inside Server Settings, find Integrations and open it. This is the hub for connecting your server with other tools. Everything for automations and external connections is organized here, so you don't have to dig through multiple menus to find what you need. Within Integrations, you'll see options to create webhooks and manage bots and apps. Webhooks let outside services send messages or updates directly into a channel. For example, a project tracker, a form tool, or a monitoring service can post alerts into a text channel so your team never misses important activity. A webhook URL acts like a key to post messages, so treat it like sensitive information and don't share it publicly. You'll also find the area for bots and apps. This is where you can review tools already connected to your server, adjust their permissions, or remove ones you no longer use. Bots can automate tasks, moderate chats, play audio, or pull in data from other platforms. Apps often bundle commands, dashboards, and role management to give you a cleaner workflow. If something isn't working as expected, this is the first place to check status and settings so you can quickly troubleshoot without hunting around elsewhere. That's the entire navigation you need. Click the server name, select Server Settings, head into Integrations, and from there you can create webhooks and manage your bots and apps. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct server if you manage more than one, and always keep security in mind when handling integrations, especially anything that exposes a token or URL. And there you go. You now know exactly where Discord keeps all integration controls and how to access them fast. With this in place, you're set to streamline updates, automate routine tasks, and keep your community organized. Thanks for watching, and happy building.